Welcome to our channel. If you want to update your Garmin watch software, follow these simple steps to ensure your device has the latest features and improvements. Step 1. Download and install Garmin Express on your computer from the official Garmin website if you haven't already. Step 2. Connect your Garmin watch to your computer using the USB charging cable that came with your device. Step 3. Open Garmin Express and wait for the software to detect your connected watch automatically. Step 4. Once your device appears in Garmin Express, the software will check for available updates automatically. Step 5. If an update is available, you'll see a notification with details about what's included in the update. Click Install All or select specific updates you want to install. Step 6. Keep your watch connected to the computer throughout the entire update process, which may take several minutes depending on the update size. Step 7. Wait for the update to complete and do not disconnect your watch until you see a confirmation message that the update was successful. Step 8. Once finished, safely disconnect your Garmin watch from your computer and restart it to ensure all new features are properly activated. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.